My name is Jim Campbell. I'm the sports director at Clear Channel Radio, and we had the privilege of doing your ball game against Cardinal Mooney last Friday night, and it was a stirring effort indeed, for which you guys earned the Home Savings High School Football Team of the Week Award. Congratulations. And that comes with more than a hearty congratulations. It always comes with a Team of the Week certificate, which you guys can frame, hang up in the locker room, whatever. Congratulations, Coach. And tomorrow, I understand, ordinarily I'd have a box full of t-shirts here too for you guys, but Coach, I understand you made arrangements for some special sizing and make sure we had enough. So the t-shirts will be here tomorrow, courtesy of Nightline. And so on behalf of Clear Channel and Home Savings, which is the sponsor of the Team of the Week Award this year, and Nightline, our congratulations for a big victory last week. Our best wishes for another big victory this week. Go ahead and take it to St. V's, and we hope that you get the help that you need in addition to that win so you can go after state championship number 4 starting in week 11. Again, congratulations. Good luck this week, and we hope beyond. Go Irish.